Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Investment Mindset. Last weekend, I went for a 3-day getaway to Genting with my family and my cousins with their parents. It was a fun and wonderful trip and I am fully recharged now. Those who are following me on my IG and FB would get to see some of my posts having fun in Genting. It's always good to be back home and now I'm finally able to squeeze out some time to make video for you all. So today in this video, I will be sharing with you why I bought into SDS Berhad stock recently and made a gain of 9.4% profit within a day, and what are the chart pattern I saw and how you could also learn to see this pattern in future and make a profitable trade for yourself in future. For those who are new to my channel, I am a full-time swing trader and I trade both Bursa and US stocks. But in this channel, I will be covering mostly on my Bursa stock trades and share with everyone on how to read the chart. And if you want to have access to my Bursa or US trades, you are welcome to join my newly created Investment Mindset membership by clicking on the link below on this video. Now let us begin. I bought into SDS Berhad stock recently on the 4th of July, which was last Tuesday. I bought at around 58.5 cents and the next day, this stock immediately surged up by 15% to close at 69 cents. But I sold it off earlier before noon at 64 cents and netted a gain of 9.4%. So now let me share with you why I bought this stock on 4th July. If we are to look at its daily chart, we could see that on 4th July, when SDS stock was trading at around 58.5 cents, and I saw that at this level, it was trading at the same level way back in October 2022, before it then broke out to the upside the last time. To me, this is indeed a good entry as based on this chart reading, it is telling me that at this price level, the probability of the buyer stepping in to buy the stock as what had happened way back in 2022 was very high. This is what we term as back to the scene of the crime. And the reason why I decided to exit at 64 cents was because previously on 30th May this year, this was the level when this stock broke down at around 66 cents. So if you have followed my channel for a while, you should know that as per my playbook, I do not aim to sell at the very top or buy at the very bottom. Hence, I decided to sell at 64 cents instead of waiting for it to go up to 66 cents, as to me, netting a gain of 9.4% within a day is indeed a very good trade. And also do pay attention to the volume on that day. It recorded a volume of 4.73 million versus its average volume of 1.697 million, which is about 2.79 times, and the next day it continued to surge up to an all-time high of 73.5 cents before it retraced back to close at 66 cents. And now let us see why it pulled back when it hit 73.5 cents, because I can see that this was the same pivot point way back in 16 March this year, which made a double top, and it also coincided with its daily 100 days moving average level. So this explains why SDS stock pulled back after hitting 73.5 cents. So did I regret selling it too early? Of course not. Making a 9.4% profit within the day is a good trade to me. And instead of regretting, what I usually would do is to do an after trade analysis to see how I could have done better on this trade. And this is what I have learned on this trade. First, to pay close attention to the volume of the day. If the volume of the day is more than 2 times its average volume and it is only on the second day of surge, next time I may choose to sell off half of my position and keep remaining half for it to continue to run with a trailing stop loss at break even. This is because from my past experience, when the stock starts to rally with big volume, it would usually last for at least 3 days before it make a pullback on the 3rd day or on the 4th day. So in future, should I encounter similar trade like SDS Berhad, I would do exactly what I have learned earlier, that is, first, pay attention to the volume of the day when the stock starts to rally. and if the volume is of more than 2 times its average daily volume, and it is only on a rally on the first or second day, I will choose to sell off only half of my position instead of full and keep the remaining half for it to continue surging with a trailing stop loss at break even. That's the end of my sharing for today. If you have found value in it, do smash on the like button to let me know and comment if you have learned anything thus far. Before I end, as usual, may our good Lord bless you and your family abundantly, and I shall see you again in my next video. Ciao!